Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For the Love of Running. This morning we are coming to you from another parkrun touring sort of destination, and so we are out this morning at Renmark Parkrun. So whoa, what a perfect morning. Like, this is looking absolutely on point. Really excited. Running a bit late because we're staying in Morgan, so we drove up this morning. We'll do the parkrun, have a bit of a look around, have some breakfast, have some coffee, and then we're heading back to Morgan to enjoy the rest of the weekend, just sort of relax a little bit. So the course looks like a sort of a 2-lap out and back, similar to my Meningie parkrun video, which you'll be able to find that linked on my channel. And yeah, so really excited. And I mean, on top of that, if you look at this shirt and you go, look, that's a nice shirt. What is that shirt? So it's one of Parkrun's many milestone t-shirts. So I've done over 100 parkruns. So I've got the 25, which is this one here. I've got the 50, which is a red one. You would have seen me running that. And I just received my 100, which you haven't seen me running that either. And this is a debut for the 25. So yeah, if you're involved in parkrun and you like hitting some milestones, well, you can get a shirt out of it as well. Really nice shirt, really comfortable shirt, perfect to run in. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go do a warm up and I'll see you guys all at the start line.
From being spun, hung on every word, yeah, every single one. So this is not for na-na, promise to say oh na-na-na. Have all bad days oh na-na-na. I'm hard to love oh na-na-na. God knows I need you oh na-na-na. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. And I'm with you and don't fall apart. You make me feel like I have a high on beauty is my gift tonight. I don't wanna go another night. And when push comes to shove, forever is never enough. So this is for tear us apart. We've gone through life, got it hard, and we just need one restart. Just tell me love me, tell me love me. Forever is never enough. Just tell me love me, tell you love me. Forever never enough. So this is for now.
guys, there you have it. That is what Renmark Parkrun has to offer, and holy crap, it is beautiful out here. Sorry about the language, but it is just an unreal parkrun. It's just beautiful. Picked a perfect day for it. So if you haven't done Renmark Parkrun, get in the car. Maybe not right away, maybe wait till next weekend. Get in the car, get up here, give it a crack because it's absolutely beautiful. Big thank you to everyone here who said they've watched these videos. I hope I've done your parkrun justice for you. If you haven't seen my channel before, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It helps me out immensely. Share it with your friends. Get everyone involved in parkrun. Get them doing a few parkruns. They can get a milestone shirt just like this one. And yeah, so that's it guys. So anyway, I'm gonna go grab coffee and a breakfast, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.